Okay, I'm going to show you a couple quick tips for grading in ClassKick. Okay, so first of all, I have on this hide student names filter. So it has my students' names just as these very strange things. Those are not their actual names. Okay, so as I scroll through this, you can see any slide that is shaded this gray color has been opened by the student. So this student did not open any of the slides. This student last opened here. Okay, now I can check individually like this. Here I have some self-grading or ones that I've added stickers to. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Okay, so let's look at this slide. So I want to look at all of slide 7 at once. So instead of view all slides, I'm going to choose slide 7. Okay, and I'm seeing all students slides 7 at once. Okay, the best thing about this, I can add a sticker and say I want to add no points, but I want to just put keep up the good work. Okay, so I just start clicking on whichever students have answered it correctly, and that's it. So all these students who had full points are all getting this sticker. They're going to get a notification that they got some feedback, okay, and see how simple that is? Now it's going to keep this sticker unless I X this out, and then I could swap it for a different sticker. So I could go back again to view all slides and say, okay, where do I want to look next? All right, which slide do I want to check? If there are ones I have to grade, so let me just open up one where, here we go. So here's one, and this was, we had to check it. Okay, so I built a sticker that said all correct on this page, so adds all 14 points at once with a sticker. If I just change the point value, the student doesn't get notified. Adding the sticker does. So you can see I customize all the stickers for whatever I might need, and then I just reorder them. So say on this slot, this ClassKick, I don't need this one. I could drag it further down to the bottom. I can modify them as I need to, but it's a great tool for giving students instant feedback. And again, I can simply add a text box and type to them. Okay, so do this, okay, if I need to, whatever, or great job, or whatever I want to type, but you can build that into stickers as well. So if I go back, again, I can see all the work, or I can do whatever slide I want at once, okay? And it gives you a nice view of all of the students' work. And if you're using stickers, like here's one that I didn't get to grading yet. So this is this sticker. So this student would get this sticker 2 times. Both answers are correct, okay? And I'm scrolling down, I'm seeing the stickers. Okay, here's another one. Went through and answered those questions. This answered 1, okay, of those questions, and here they answered all. So again, very quick way to enter the points for any question, okay? So grading this way in ClassKick is amazing, all right? So you can view all slides, so you can see a student's progress, or you can check all of one slide at once, and having the ability to just have and swap out the stickers you're using is outstanding. This is hands down the best way to see student work live, and you get to, from here, you can see whichever students have raised their hand in whatever way, and you can get straight to that slide and help them out literally as they're working on it. No more delay. So ClassKick, outstanding for checking student work.